because hindi ko pa alam. It's because and next, lychees. Bakit kasi ganito kailangan pang mag-English? Ang hirap kaya. Hi and good day! Welcome to the first episode of Mansyon ng Ina Mo, Cooking Ninyo Edition. In this episode, I'm gonna share to you on how do I make my special creamy macaroni salad recipe. But before I begin, click the thumbs up icon and hit the subscribe button. And also you can share this video into your Facebook, Twitter, and other social media platform. And now I'll begin. So I'm gonna start with the ingredients. First ingredients is mayonnaise, 2 packs of mayonnaise, condensed milk, all-purpose cream, and fruit cocktail, and lychees, and 1 kilo of pasta macaroni. There's one more. A coconut sports drink, or they call it Macapuno. Macapuno. Social. It's a coconut meat. I have the casserole. So first, I'm gonna put the mayonnaise. Uubusan na ako ng English. May expiration ng English ko. Make sure the first step is put the mayonnaise as a base. The second one is the condensed milk. Oops. One more. Okay. Mix well. Just mix it. Okay, I think it's good enough. Alright. So next up, it's all-purpose cream. Oh, I have to put one more. Oops. Add one more. And then mix again. Hirap mag-English. Dinudugo na yung ilong ko. And one more. Mix well until it's creamy. See the texture? It's already creamy. So this is how I make a special creamy macaroni a la Madame Doña. And now, tikiman time. Perfect. First, I'm gonna put the pasta macaroni. Pour. Pour? Ano yun? Madam, malapit na mag-expire yung English mo, ha? Duduguin ka na sa ilong. It's okay. I'm not the one to adjust. You, viewers, are the one to adjust, not me. I am making this special creamy macaroni salad for this coming New Year. My God, my hair! Mix it again and again. Okay, next, the coconut sport string. I prefer the sweetened preserved coconut sport string and not the fresh one because hindi ko na alam. Dinudugo na. It's because and next, lychees. Bakit kasi ganito kailangan pang mag-English? Ang hirap kaya. Ang hirap. Mixed well. And the fruit cocktail. gonna transfer to the container. Charan! Chararan, chararan. Okay, so put in a fridge overnight and then ready to eat. That's all. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. So this is your Madam Doña, and this is the episode of Cooking Inanyo Edition. Thank you for watching and bye! See you next time!